Here we come to the second to last elevator at First Colony Mall parking garage, which this one is located by Dillard's Women with the Adams elevator with your black Adams fixtures. Anyways, this will be the last elevator here at First Colony Mall. This elevator looks exactly like the one at Macy's, and I'm sure you have seen this in my older video from back in 2012. So, fast forward to 10 years now, this will be an updated take. And there's no fan so we can hear the motor. Oh, look at this. Somebody left a Chick-fil-A drink inside there. And they also added a sensor beeper too. Also, look at these contacts. Look at this. They don't seem to press very well. Look at this. The door close button seems to work fine, but look at the... They seriously need to fix up this COP right here. So look at the door open button. It doesn't even work. See? The contact doesn't even touch. Look at this. Other than that, this is a nice elevator. And we'll also ring the bell. But other than that, this is your updated take on all of the elevators at First Colony Mall. There it goes. Anyways, both of these parking garage elevators that look exactly like this, they were all installed in 2006. The mall elevators were installed in 1995, or the department store elevators, that is. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my updated take on the elevators at First Colony Mall. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that is going to be it. Stay tuned for some more updated takes coming soon. Goodbye, everyone.